Wi-Fi not working, Bluetooth acting weird. A quick reset of your network settings can fix it all. Let me show you how to do it safely. Before we begin, hit subscribe so you don't miss more real-life iPhone tips like this one. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap General. Step 3. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 4. Now tap Reset. Step 5. Choose Reset Network Settings from the list. Step 6. Enter your passcode if asked. Then confirm the reset. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, VPNs and cellular settings. But don't worry, it won't delete your personal data or apps. And that's it. Your network settings are refreshed and hopefully everything starts working smoothly again. Hit subscribe for more iPhone tips that actually solve problems.